Hi, my name is Mary Lee. I've been a client of Shann's and using Biomethod for around the last 10-15 years. Now you're looking at me and you're saying, this woman doesn't have a hair problem. And you're right, I don't have a hair problem because I followed the Biomethod system. My problems were as terrible as all the other women who have spoken about them, and it was just horrible to have the hair loss after having a child and having all the hormonal changes. The front of my hair right here had just completely just lost all the hair. It fell out. I would see it in the shower. I was really distraught about it. But when I found Biomethod, my problems started to go away. The change was incredible, and I could have never believed that this was going to be my future. But with the help of Shann, Biomethod, the ampules, scalp treatments, and scalp analysis by Shann, I have been able to come to this level. And my hair is not, I don't have a bad hair day, and I have freedom. This has given me freedom. I know what to do, how to do it, and who to go to.